as well, but it's not going to help. For the most part, I'm going to say expand all brackets out. Just always multiply a bracket out. I think sometimes it's easier not to, but just as a rule, let's go with always multiply the bracket out like we did in the last quiz. So I've multiplied 5 times these two, not the 2x, that's not in the bracket, so it's not multiplied by. And I wouldn't start solving until I've fully simplified everything I can on either side. So there's a 5x and there's a 2x, so that's only, there's 3x's on this side, equals -7. And now I've simplified it as far as I can go, and now I start my solving process, where I go, I need to get rid of this 5 and this 3, so I subtract 5 from both sides, and I'm left with 3x is equal to -12, and then I can divide by 3 through the opposite operation, and x is going to be -4. Okay, so that's, the variables are on the same side, so always simplify fully is the lesson from that one. This time, there's variables on both sides, and there's no simplification to be done. These can't be added together or subtracted. So my first step here is I usually get rid of the smaller x. So 3x is smaller than 5x. So I get rid of it by subtracting it from both sides of the equal sign. I subtract 3x from both sides. So I'm left here with 2x's. The +2 is still there, the equal sign, and then this one is gone. And then a -5 here. So if I have x's on both sides, I get rid of one of them before I start. And then I can solve it like this one. Okay, I got to get rid of these 2's. To get rid of this one, I subtract 2. +2 minus 2 cancel out, and I get 2x here. Equal sign -7. Divide by 2 both sides then to get rid of this 2. And we have x is equal to -7 over 2, or -3.5. Okay, and the last one, very similar to this one. There's x's on both sides. I get rid of the smaller x, which is actually this one, because that's -2x. So how do I get rid of a -2x? I would add 2x to both sides. So always the opposite sign will make them cancel out. So 15 is on this left-hand side. I have 11 plus 3x now on the right-hand side. I want to get rid of the 11 because it's on the same side as the x. And I get 4 is equal to 3x, and then divide by 3 to finish. So 4 over 3, or 1 1/3, is equal to x. All right, so that should be just a refresher on those types as well. Time for you to do a few, and then we'll give you about 2 minutes, and then we can maybe leave a minute or two early. So we're going to start with this tomorrow. So starters are on this page. So make sure you can do them.